Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to make cookies. This episode of chocolate cookies because we don't have any chocolate chips. We're going to use sprinkles. Yes. These are the ingredients you'll need. So you'll need 20 grams of sprinkles or chocolate chips. Yes, we've got that. You need vanilla extract, 2 eggs. You need 40 grams of self-raising flour. 330 grams of flour, and that's a lot. You'll need caster sugar, but we don't have any caster sugar, and I've made these with different sugars each time, so I know they work. So you'll need 100 grams of caster sugar, 80 grams of brown sugar, a lot of butter. You need 250 grams of butter, and you need to make it like chopped up, so it's not too hard to mix and everything. Yeah, so I got my cookbook here, my Thermomix. This is my mum's, my Thermomix cookbook. And so I'm using the Thermomix today. So I've already preheated the oven to 180 because I was making cupcakes under here. And so then next you have to, I'm not using nuts because my brothers don't like nuts. So we have to place butter and caster sugar, brown sugar and vanilla extract into the big mixing bowl and put it on speed 6 for 1 minute. Okay, let's go do that. La-di-doo-da, la-di-da-da, la-di-boop-boop. So I haven't measured the vanilla yet, but you need around 2 to 4 teaspoons, by the way. I'm gonna do 3 because I love a lot of vanilla and so do my brothers. And then all you do, I'm just going to put it in here. I measure by this. I do around 3 of these. So you just open the cap and you pour it in the cap. I do 3 of them and... Boom boom cheer, 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 boom 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 boom. Boom boom cheer, 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 wicko wicko woo woo woo. Boom boom cheer, boom boom cheer. I'm here. Noise in the background. It's my brother watching a movie. So it's meant to look like this. It's very nice. It's like a light brown and it's very fluffy. And tastes pretty good. Okay, so now what do we have to do? So with blade roast. Okay, rotating. We need to put the lid back on. Okay, ready? So this is the tricky part. Put it on 1. Okay. Slow, and then get your 2 eggs, and slowly put it in through the hole 1 at a time. Okay, so I just did 1, so now I'm going to do the other side, so it might be just a bit lighter and a bit more runny. Yeah, so next, so we put this back on. Okay, so we've done 2 eggs, 1 at a time. And then now we're going to add our plain flour and our self-raising flour. And if you can use salt, but I don't want to use salt because I just don't want it. So I'm going to do I don't know which one to do because I got a lot of, I'm going to do the self-raising flour first. And then I'm going to put the lid on. Okay. I'm going to mix it a bit on 1. I'm going to mix it a bit on 1, or on 2, and maybe put on 3. So I just put on 4, so it still looks the same, just a bit, looks like there's more. Now I'm going to add this, there's a lot of flour. I mean a lot. So that's why because last time I did it, I put them both together and I just went and it wasn't mixing properly. So that's why I'm doing 1 at a time this time. So now, you have to start slow. Start slow around 2 or 3. It's going to make a very weird sound. And soon it's going to go and yeah. Next down, so then get a bit higher each time. now it looks like this. And can I touch it? It tastes so good. Wow, it tastes really good. Now, as your ingredient for I'm doing sprinkles because we don't have any chocolate chips. You can do sprinkles, chocolate chips. Honestly, you can do anything. And you need 200 grams of it. So I've got around 200 grams of these sprinkles. And so I'm just going to add them in. So I still got some in there. I'm going to put this back on. I'm going to mix that a little bit. Around a little bit. And you need to put it on 10 because it's a bit thicker than it was. So yeah. Ay, ay. Oh, wow, 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 yeah, yeah. So, it actually looks really good. You can see little sprinkles in there. And it looks so good. And I know it tastes good because I've done this before. So now, all I need to roll. So now you need there's going to be a different camera angle now. So I'm going to put it into a bowl and as you would usually do on a normal. Always clean up after your mess, okay? Always. Hey, 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 hey. I am doing voiceovers because I don't know how to put music on. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, so I've gotten my cookies ready. Wait. I've got all my cookies ready. So the oven's ready to put in. And so you need to put them in for up to 10 to 12 minutes. Now I'm doing some big boys. And I'm doing an experiment. I'm putting some little ones down the bottom and seeing how much they're going to burn. Hopefully they don't burn at all, but they probably will. So yeah, let's figure out. I'm going to put them in the oven. Ready? I'm going to put it for 11 minutes. Oh, and I'm going to put it for 12 because they're pretty big. So, yeah. Got 10 minutes. So, it's only 2 minutes, but it's been for ages. Let me just check. Yep, 10 minutes to go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I'm on my little penny. If you want to see. Don't think you can. Oh, yeah, you can. Hello. I'm on my penny. So, yeah. Hey guys, it's Zali from the future. The reason I am over-voicing is because I don't know how to put music in one section, and I am editing this, not my dad. So look at these beautiful masterpieces. They look very good. The little ones didn't burn, which is awesome. So now, just get a knife, and if they're conjoined, I just cut them when they're soft, so they don't stick together. So it's not, because when you cut them when they're soft in the oven, it's easier, because when you cut them when they're dry, they get a bit harder. And they crack. Yeah. So just do that. They're very big, which I like, because I like big chunky ones. So I'd rather have a big one than two tiny small ones.
But you can cut it anyway.
Well, good. I'm going to do another batch because I got some more. So yeah. They're kind of stuck, so they're a bit crumbled, this first one. Good. But I'm going to have to wait. Hopefully they don't get stuck to the bottom like this one did. Hopefully. Anyway, wait. So, we got them off. Buddy. My dog's here. He's looking little scraps. And look.
Zali's retarded.
Thanks, Dad. They look really good. I'm going to do, I think, another batch. Yeah. So, yeah. And that's how you make vanilla sprinkle cookies. So yeah, bye. Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad song and make some ice cream. You know you love cookies and cream, so make it. Oh yeah. zoom in. Did an outro and it's been 2 days and I've only edited it now. And I'm doing it in my bathroom for no apparent reason. And I can't, I can't zoom in. Anyway, so that's how you make vanilla sprinkle cookies. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Okay, bye.